and he's pulling it, and he's pulling it, and he's pulling it, and he's going over the edge of the road, and he's gonna die, and I'll be a happy winner. Oh, he's backing up. Dadgummit. Gonna have to shorten his chain. I'm not sure what he did, but he did something. Guess he pulled it a little bit. Boy, howdy, it ain't no good when one of your trees breaks. It's one of your trees that you like, because I like her. I like Elmy. Oh well. Her son Zach's been a big help, even though Grandpa's a bellering at him every once in a while. But that's what dads do best, holler and beller at their kids. Oh, shoot the dog. That had to hurt. Oh, the fence. It's got a permanent fence. Extra chickens will be able to jump over that. Oh well, it's going to try it again. Let's hide behind this beautiful truck here and keep ourselves protected. There he goes. Nothing. Nothing. Oh, fast, Elmy. I think he's going to have to get out and chainsaw some more. Oh, no. Putting it in the Oh, boy, did you goober it up. Yeah. Jeepers creepers. That's not the only thing come loose. So did your grass. Yes. You know the only thing that didn't come loose? Elmy. She held on. I think you need to get that branch, and then there won't be no branches down into the ground, and then maybe y'all can get this sucker took care of. You got to get rid of your, what do you call it, your outriggers. It's got a bunch of outriggers down, and that one stuck in the fence.
I'm going to take my chainsaw and do a little bit of chainsaw.
That's what I just said. Get rid of those outriggers. What are you two little stinkweeds doing out here? Yay! I guess that's a yay. It could be a boo. Hey, darlings. Okay. Well, that one's in the fence, and that one's in the dirt, and that one's in the dirt. Oh, dear. Shoot the tree. Yeah, I think you can. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Maybe he can, maybe he can't. He's scaring you little dudes, ain't it? You guys better get back in the yard. Oh, you just stay here by mommy. Yeah. Yeah, I think he's getting rid of one of the outriggers. He's the son. That's for sure. I can see the alley up there on 4. Oh boy, starting to go down a little. Starting to go down. I seen it wiggling. Oh, there she goes.